Good morning and welcome to another vlog. This is day 2 in Dublin. Look at my view, honestly. You couldn't really see it too well in like probably be last week's vlogs, because it'll probably go like day by day. But that's Christchurch there. How beautiful is that, honestly? Talk about getting like such a good room. So I'm staying in the Leonardo Hotel, which is literally just opposite it. And to be honest, like yesterday, I had such a good experience, like apart from the flights being delayed. But you know what, like I travel so much that that's kind of a standard at this stage. There's the Bull and Castle bar. Didn't go in there, I should have. You can kind of see it, it's just that grey building there. And the Wild Rover bus. Yeah, I didn't do a lot last night. I went out and kind of walked around town and went to Penny's, which is Primark. Have a look at that video, like some of the stuff in there was Jesus, like that Penny's I went to last night is the original Penny's. And oh, here's me with a sore throat again this morning, honestly. That Penny's I went to last night is the original Penny's, and like they have so much nice stuff, like really, I'm literally just out of the shower. They had so much nice stuff. I got a new pair of trainers because my own ones were absolutely banjaxed, and I got a jumper and I got an umbrella, which kind of was necessary because it was so wet last night, honest to God. Which probably didn't help because I didn't manage to bring like a big woolly jacket. I brought like kind of a long gilet type thing that's kind of warm. But I definitely could have done with something a little bit more substantial. Sure, look, it is what it is. I'm going to head down now for breakfast. Yeah, what I was saying was about my experience, like coming in, the plane was delayed, which is kind of standard. But I got a taxi from Dublin Airport to here, to city centre, like, and it was only about 35 euros, I think, which isn't bad considering that, like, he picked up my luggage at the airport, put them into the car, drove me here. Quick Smart was here in like less than half an hour. And what else? Yeah, brought my luggage in for me, and then I got upgraded to executive suite. Like, who am I? Like, I never get upgraded. To be fair, like I always buy budget rooms anyway, but this was well nice to get upgraded to, like, you know, something a bit more fancier. So that was fun. Yeah, I went out last night. I had to go to a Boots. Honestly, Dublin has changed so much. On a Friday night, back when I used to live here, Friday nights and Saturday nights would be absolutely hopping. The Ilex Centre was closed at about 6:30 yesterday. The Jervis Street Centre, most of the stuff was closed. I was thankful there was a Boots open. But I did see the security were having a little bit of an issue with some young people coming in and causing a bit of trouble. So I was like, really? Like, in all honesty, this place used to be absolutely hopping. This place was like the bomb because they used to have an Inglot stand right in the middle. I don't know if some of you are Irish and you're watching this. Well, when I was in college over here, my class helped set that up. And we worked in it until like your one got her staff ready or whatever, then we all moved on. But like, yeah, like the place was absolutely buzzing. Now they just have some kind of cheap shit shops in the middle of that thoroughfare. Before this they had like really good shops. So I didn't get a full look around the Jervis because I was like tired and I could feel a sore throat coming in, which is what I've got this morning. So yeah, I have to do my nails. Yeah, I was supposed to go and have a nail appointment and a hair appointment yesterday, and I missed all of them because the flight was delayed. But you know what, it is what it is. Like, my hair appointment is still this morning. I'm gonna go down now, get breakfast, and then I'm gonna go to the salon. I don't know, I'm gonna try and sort out my clothes that I can get changed in the salon, then to come straight back for the wedding. And I'm gonna maybe leave my stuff here. Yeah, until I get as far as the wedding. I don't know, I'm a bit all over the place because one of my friends was supposed to meet me and pick me up and stuff, and now that plan has changed, so I'm trying to figure it out as I kind of go along. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get dressed and then I'll talk to you after a bit. This is what I got. I got sausages, like pudding, bacon, calculator bits and stuff, and I got a latte and some orange juice. Just keeping it real simple this morning because I'm going to have a busy morning, so may as well eat a hearty breakfast. So I clearly didn't like that breakfast, did I? Ate most of it. So I'm just back from having breakfast. It was absolutely amazing. It was a gorgeous breakfast. I don't normally eat that much of a morning, but I really enjoyed that, and I got my nails done. These are only like press-on ones from Shein because I did not have time to go to the salon to actually get them done properly. And I didn't really have the money either, so you know, you have to make do what you have to make do. So I'm just gonna go and get ready. I'm gonna get my face done and then I have to go down to the salon. So I'm gonna do a full body so you can see what I look like scruffy, and then you'll see me all done up. So we kind of do like a bit of a before and after. Here's the lights of this place. So I'm gonna maybe just switch the camera, the angle. So this is me before, scruffy as sin, and you'll see me the next time hopefully all dolled up. Okay, so the makeup is done and I'm just getting ready to check out at this hotel, and then I'm going to get my hair done and then I'm going to check into the other hotel. So it's like a bit mad this morning, keep checking in and out of places, but yeah, getting ready nearly there. I literally look like I've been dragged through a bush backwards, honest to God. My eyelashes are giving me jib, this left eyelash here is giving me jib, so I'm hoping that it'll like, oh shit, I need to try something, don't I? I am hoping that it will last until I get my hair done at least anyway. So I'm heading down to the salon now, and hopefully the reception can keep my bags until later. So see you in a bit. Had to take that considering she's going to be Mrs. Harty after this. This looks super cute. Studio Rascal up the stairs. That's the solicitors. Don't need them. Okay, and up one more. Definitely getting my steps in today, lads, honestly. Are we here? Oh no, one more. Okay. Okie dokie. Hi. Hi, how are you? Oh, sorry. Okay guys, just came out of the salon. I'm super happy with my hair. It's bloody amazing. So I have to go now and go and get dressed and then fix up the makeup, and then we're ready to rock for the rest of the day. The place is in a really nice like little bougie gallery, and it's at the very, very top. I'm going to leave all details to this guy because honestly he's bloody amazing, and I'm going to be getting another appointment because I want some things done that we discussed during our consultation. So yeah, I'll definitely be back. It was very, very good. Yeah, so now heading up to the hotel to get ready. Oh, nearly time. got dressed. I'm in my gula. I'm just sitting here waiting in the foyer of my hotel because I don't want to get there too early and be there before like any of the guests are there. So it's like 1 o'clock now. Yeah, just like 5 to 1. So I'll sit here for like another 5-10 minutes. Then I'm gonna head on down to the hotel, or not the hotel, City Hall. Nice day. She's getting married. Hey guys, so went to the wedding, everything's going fine. My ankles have given up on me. The shoes I wore are just a disaster. I've just literally landed in the hotel now. The service was gorgeous. She looked amazing. Where did I put the key? This is my hotel room for tonight. Well, I'm not gorgeous. Feeling the best. I'm staying in the Castle Knock Hotel. And yeah, I'm not feeling the best. I'm here on my own. I'm going to give you an outfit tour in a minute. It's all very romantic and lovey-dovey, and I'm just feeling a bit shit. Like, nothing's got gorgeous. Nothing anybody can do about that. It just is one of those things. And yeah, they've nice little Elemis products. Further complimentary products. They're Elemis. And you get your shower cap and a dental kit and a shaving kit. Oh, that is very handy. Shoe care, grooming kit. If you had a significant other with you who would need it, so that's that. Tea, coffee situation there. Little safe. I guess this is a little fridge in here. Yeah. Let's see what's in it. Oy. Oh, it's locked. Probably for the best. Yeah. And this is the room. Tá sé go héintach. And fabulous view. I got this all for myself.